Today, guys, we're gonna be seeing birds.
Ang bird, nag-jacket, taro,
Asa ba? Asa?
tawa.
Murag yung siya naka-jacket. Pagkita na mugunan nila manong. Sige.
Nagbabawa din. Naskilid.
Dara amo gani. Mura jud siya naka-jacket. Kanay sa iya.
Bruce wearing a jacket na.
Kapag nga pati, nindot.
Bird.
Nindot ka ng kuwan ba?
Would say hi? Hi, we're watching a birds. We are on the swimming pool. Look at the birds, guys.
Wala jud ka video. Wala matap ang video.
Tanaw. Video. Like this bird. It's looking like. Guys, wait, this bird. I rate this. Let's go back to the Let's go back to the buang tukan. Let's go back to the buang tukan. Yeah, let's go to the buang tukan. Oh wait, guys. We're gonna see the buang tukan. Yeah, the buang tukan. Like, why is he eating my sleeper? Yeah, he thought this food. Actually, if you eat sleepers, you have a sleeper mind instead of dirty mind. Yeah, then so the viewers Budik. We have a sleeper.
Wala man video kuya. Ano video din? Video din na, mura di man.
Kana?
Video recorded?
I'm recording it.
Ang kamot nila dik.
Oh wait, hold on. Ah! Alimentation. Go play. Let's play again. Yo, we don't have time. Wait, Budik! Is it this bird or did one of them escape? Let's go now. Okay, let's go. Let's ask them to see more birds. Yeah. Let's ask them to see more birds. Can I see more birds? Can I see more birds?
That's all of them.
That's all of them.
That's all of them.
Kuya, kagabi ko yan. Naligo mi.
Let's just see what we can do. Naligo kami?
Naalay ba adik no? Naalay ka.
Oh. Inip tayo.
Naligo man na. Te! Ang sapat siguro yun.
Ito, katukan?
Yeah. Buwang natukan. Buwang natukan. Kabalo na galit na nang hutanan na kalikod sa uskaywan ko. Buwang ka natuang do. Goofball. Guys, you know my classmate Matthew said, aka your boy MD, just copied my channel's name BTW. Plus, he said he's just gonna leak my face reveal at 200 subs. Please do not subscribe to him. I think this is a playground, guys. Would it ride the frog? Aliyah!
Look, we're just riding a frog.
Would I'm taking a video of you right now. You're getting caught in 4K.
Blue frog, blue frog.
Can you subscribe to Budik, please?
Dili bikin. Picture natin ka. Ingat to oy. Okay na natin isa.
Okay, I think we're done for the video.